What's up, everybody? D'Angelo here, and I'm about to show you how you can make an easy $1,000 plus a week. Yes, this does require work. No, this is not some fairy tale money where you just pull it out of your butt, okay? Alrighty. So, this is not going to be theory method. I hate those. Basically, what a theory method is to me is when you got someone talking and they're looking at Craigslist, or they're looking at Twitter or their PayPal account, and they're just talking about things. They never actually show you anything. They never take you step by step through the process. They just talk about it, and I hate that, okay? So I'm just going to give you guys this training just like I would a Team D'Angelo member. Okay, so what you're going to need for this is a Wix account, and you're going to need a Craigslist and a Gmail account or whatever provider you use for your email. Okay, so basically all you're going to do is first, you make your landing page. So go over to Wix or Weebly or whatever you use for your landing pages, and you're going to make a page. Okay, so this page only took me like 5 minutes, guys. It was super simple and easy. I always do bibs obs, so it honestly all depends on what offer you're going to be promoting, what CPA network you're going through. You know, that all depends on you. I personally use Cash Network. So as you know, they're really easy. I use XY7 Elite. You know, those are just two of them that I use. But yeah, guys, you want to make sure that you have two buttons on your page. And why I say that is because somebody might scroll right past this. Okay, you know, they might not see click below, apply. They might not see that. Okay, you want to make sure you use the word apply, use the word click me. Don't use things like $1 to success or something like that. You want people to simply click it, or click me, or apply, things that they see on a day-to-day basis. You don't want people to think. You just want them to take action. Okay, so let's say they skip that one, they'll miss it, they'll get the one down here. You know, you want to make sure you have at least two under, one in the middle, like one above the fold, you know, one underneath, you know, just in case. Okay, alrighty. So once you got your page and it's all looking good and pretty the way you want it, you're gonna go over to Craigslist. Now, depending on your offer that you're doing, you know, and yes, let me get this out the way. Yes, the landing page is mandatory. Do not ever send traffic from Craigslist straight to the CPA offer. You're either not going to get paid, or they're going to shut your account down. The landing page is mandatory. Okay, so basically all you're going to do, like I said, again, it all depends on what you're going to be promoting. If you're going to be doing baby stuff, you can use for sale. You can do these groups, personal. I mean, you can just got to be creative, guys. I personally, though, I use biz ops. You know, I'm always about biz ops. So I'll go into labor, I'll go into computer, creative, right? It doesn't matter. I'm going to get mine, because people are going to message you because they're in these. They're here to make money. For sale, people who are selling things. What are they doing? They're looking to make money. You know, like, it's all about money on this side. This side is all about money. This is a gold mine. You just got to know where to dig, okay, and how to dig and what tools to use. Okay, so basically, you're going to come up here, post to classifieds. Like I said, I personally do job offers. Gig offers. You can do jobs. I recommend, you know, doing it if it's free. If it's not, you know, that's completely up to you. You'll get more people seeing your gigs. Okay, so labor gigs is going to be the most popular one, 9 out of 10, because that's where everyone is who wants to help moving and, you know, things of that nature. Alrighty, so this is an example gig that I do. So like I said, you know, a lot of people don't actually show you their gigs. I'll show my gig. I don't really care, you know, because you gotta see this. Alrighty, so I like to keep everything simple. I keep things simple and straight to the point. You want to make $200 to $500 per day based on your work requirements. 18 plus, able to follow directions, training provided, must be computer friendly. Bam, that's it. That's all I have to say. Okay, now I'm going to show you exactly what I saw. I got this message 20 minutes ago. Okay, so I'm simply just going to come in here. Of course, follow the steps, and that's all I'm going to say. And that's it, guys. I mean, it's not hard at all, and you're going to get hundreds of messages. So even if you're promoting something that's only going to pay out $1, $2, that adds up. I'm more of a bulk than selling something that's or pushing something that's a big ticket item. I'm personally on bulk. I can get a lot of people. I'm a recruiter. That's what I do. Okay. So all you're going to have to do is simply press send, and that's money. That's it, guys. That's all you're going to have to do. Okay, now it is critical that your page does look, somewhat decent, or you can do a very simple page. Like here is another one that I use. So right here, okay, again, this only took about 5 minutes to make. So just kept it simple. Make thousands step by step. We help you every step of the way. Get ready to change your life. Apply right here. Very simple. Out there, different color than the rest of the page, so they can see it. It's right here. All they have to do is click apply, guys. So, and that's all there is to it, guys. I mean, this is literally a 3-step process. Just like I like to keep everything simple. Like, it shouldn't be super complicated to make money. I like to get to the core, right down to the get-go, make money, that's all. Super simple, guys. That's pretty much it for this method. As long as you reply to your messages, there's no reason why you should not make money with this. Like I said, just off one post in labor gigs, you will normally get around 100 posts, 100 people messaging you. So, I mean, so if you're doing that about 3 times a day, just getting some posts in there, make sure you are posting different gigs and things of that nature, so that way you don't end up getting your post flagged, things like that. But guys, like I said, that's super simple and super easy. If you want to get the Team D'Angelo training, you can always go to the website and check it out for yourself. As you can see right here, this is the CPA training. So as you can see, just in this alone, I have lots of training in here, and I keep it updated, Guys, like I said, if you really want to make money, this is why I made Team D'Angelo, is so that you can make money. There's, like I said, we got the Fiverr, Amazon, even to help those who are in MCA, traffic exchange sites. I mean, if you can make money online, I'm just finding out a way that you can do it and making a method and making it super simple so that you can do it. Alrighty, so I mean, it's only 25 bucks to sign up, guys. I mean, you can search Team D'Angelo on YouTube and you'll see a lot of members who are talking about the good stuff about it. But yes, guys, that's pretty much it.